The top inverter brands available in Australia, three stand out for their popularity and proven performance: GoodWe, Sungrow, and Fronius. Each brand has its strengths and weaknesses, and choosing the right one depends on your needs, budget, and long-term energy goals. GoodWe inverters are known for their affordability and reliable performance in a range of Australian environments, from dry inland regions to humid coastal areas. They offer excellent energy conversion efficiency and are often hybrid-ready, making them a great option if you plan to add a battery in the future. GoodWe also offers built-in Wi-Fi and app-based monitoring, giving users the ability to track their system's performance from their phone or tablet. When it comes to pricing, GoodWe sits at the affordable end of the spectrum, ideal for those working with a tight budget. Sungrow, on the other hand, strikes a strong balance between cost and performance. This brand has gained a significant following in Australia thanks to its consistent efficiency, even in partial shading, and strong technical capabilities. Sungrow inverters feature MPPT, maximum power point tracking, technology to maximize the output from your solar panels, and are also compatible with batteries, making them a good option if you're thinking about future-proofing your system. With smart features like real-time monitoring and intelligent energy management, Sungrow appeals to homeowners who want modern functionality at a mid-range price. Sungrow is priced in the mid-range, offering great value for money without compromising on key features. Then there's Fronius, often considered the gold standard in solar inverters. Designed and manufactured in Austria, Fronius inverters are built to last and excel in extreme Australian weather conditions. Fronius units are extremely reliable, offering long warranties and excellent efficiency over time. While they do come with a higher upfront cost, many see the investment as worthwhile for the quality and long-term peace of mind. Fronius is the premium option, suited for homeowners who want top-tier performance and are willing to invest a bit more upfront for lasting benefits. Reliability-wise, all three brands perform well in Australian conditions, but Fronius leads the pack with its high-quality components and strong track record. GoodWe and Sungrow are also dependable, with growing service networks across the country and responsive customer support.